Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Coin Master app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down. Click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Coin Master app. Or just click on search. Then here at Coin Master app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop. Click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store here. You search here for Coin Master. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.